Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The state of emergency SOE get blocked after voting going in the Senate. Prime Minister Andrew Holness say only people who fully vaccinated can go things where government a keep are gonna event when need to go ahead from the government. The Police Federation and some people from the government never reached nowhere yesterday over some money where the police owe to them from 2008. The Ministry for Health put out yesterday some Jamaicans who fully vaccinated against COVID-19 will get some new vaccination card. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. The state of emergency SOE get blocked after voting going in the Senate. This means that the security things them were in the civil police division got done this weekend. At least one opposition senator did have a vote to the government for make it continue. 13 senators vote yes, 3 vote no, and 5 never did it. Prime Minister Andrew Holness say only people who fully vaccinated can go things where government a keep are gonna event when need to go ahead from the government. The Prime Minister did attack yesterday when he get 200,000 doses of the Sinopharm vaccine from the government for China. According to the Prime Minister, them need to protect public health and vaccination at the ongoing way. So everybody must follow the COVID-19 rule them. So him can't make people who not take the vaccine they certain place. The Police Federation and some people from the government never reached nowhere yesterday over some money where the police owed to them from 2008. Some member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force did at the Supreme Court downtown yesterday morning a sing and a cuss when them case did before the court. One pre-trial hearing set for December 16, 2021. If them not reach nowhere, the case got trial between January 7, 2022 to April 8, 2022. On top of that, the Police Federation write one letter yesterday to Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark and Dr. Horace Chang, who are the Minister for Security. According to Constable Jerome Martin, the government owed them money from 2008 and them want it. The Ministry for Health put out yesterday that some Jamaicans who fully vaccinated against COVID-19 are going to get some new vaccination card. According to the Ministry for Health, people who fully vaccinated and have the vaccination card with the manufacturer information SII must go on permanent vaccination site to get one new card. The people they must carry the vaccination card with them have right now with them. According to the ministry, them have to make the change them for make sure so the vaccination card them have all of the manufacturer information and for try cut down any problem what people might have when them travel go foreign. The police are reported them find 2 guns where people have no license for. One of them a AK-47 rifle and 60 bullets in a St. James and Westmoreland use the gun. According to the police report, them did a work with the state of emergency and them go in a Bethel town and find one AK-47 rifle and 47 bullets. In a one nether operation, one man get locked up in a Iron Shore St. James and the police find one Smith & Wesson 9mm pistol with one magazine having 16 gunshot. Right now, St. James they under one state of emergency. News some foreign. Britain put out something say come today, them a go ban people from 6 southern African countries from coming a feed them country after South Africa said them find one new variant of the COVID-19. According to Sajid Javid, or the health secretary, the new variant easier for spread than the Delta variant, and the vaccine them we are using right now not so good against it. On top of that, Javid said the new variant caused the spread of the virus in South Africa, and it show up in a people who in a Botswana and Hong Kong. But the science man them from Britain said them worry bad about this, so them tell the Prime Minister for ban all plane where come from them country there. Now for sports. West Indies lose them first test match in Sri Lanka. West Indies side start the day upon 52 runs and them lose 6 wickets. Them did need 348 runs to win and the Caribbean side yet bowl out for 160 runs. Nkrumah Banner make one top scorer 68 runs and Da Silva make 54. They make 100 runs for the 7-wicket partnership. Sri Lanka did make 386 runs and 191 runs, and West Indies did make 230 runs and 160 runs. People, remember the curfew from 9 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall, and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just gave the news in the Jamaican language.